How to share an eBay listing on Pinterest. Guys, it's simple, okay? I'll show you step by step, so let's get started. The first step is to choose the product you want to share. So here on the eBay website, for example, I'm going to click on the fashion option, then click on women's clothing, or maybe I want to share these pants here. So I'll click on the product. It's very simple. The product page will open. What do you do now? On Pinterest, once you're logged into your account, you come here, click on these three bars, go ahead and click, and you'll see the option to create a pin. Click on that option and there you go, it opens up, and now you have a few options. You can directly take this photo of the product from eBay, click on it, hold and drag it. You can drag it, bring it over to Pinterest and drop it here. Notice that I've already brought the photo here. If you want to copy the same title from here and paste it here, you can. But ideally, you should create a new title. If you want to use ChatGPT to create a more optimized title, you can use this command here. I'm going to copy this command here, where I ask ChatGPT to create a catchy title, a description, and also some hashtags. Here in ChatGPT, I'm going to press Ctrl+V to paste. You need to put the product link, okay? So, I come here to the product. I'm going to copy this link from the URL up here. You can click on copy, go back to ChatGPT, and paste it here in this space. Pasted. Done. I'm going to click send. ChatGPT will create everything for me. You just have to wait a little bit. As you can see, it's already created here. So I can click here to copy this title. I go back to Pinterest and paste the title. I go back to copy the description here. Notice that it made the description short. You can ask it to add more information. I'm going to click copy and paste it here. And don't forget that if you're promoting a product as an affiliate, you are required to add a hashtag here indicating that this product is an ad. So once you've added it here, you'll copy the link. You can simply copy this link up here and come to Pinterest and paste it. But if you have an affiliate program, for example, I'm an eBay affiliate, then I can't do it this way. In this case, I have an affiliate account. If I want to get the affiliate link and put it here on Pinterest, I need to be logged into my eBay Partner Network affiliate account, okay? And I already have this extension here, so when I click on it, my affiliate link will be generated. It created a long link, and I can click here to import this link and copy it. So if you want to share an affiliate product from eBay, you need to get the affiliate link, go to the link section and paste it there to add the link. Now you can choose a board to put this product in, so I'll click here. Notice that there's an option to create a board, so I'll click here to create a board. I'll just write eBay here and click to create the board. The board was created, which means this product will be inside the board I named eBay. So you can customize it, whether it's for women's products, watches, or whatever. You just write the name as you see fit, okay? You can also search for some hashtags related to your product, which will help your product get found. I'll just leave it like this, and here you have the option to publish on another date, so you can come here and schedule the date you want this post to go live, and you can also choose the time for the post to be published, okay? In my case, I'm not going to schedule it, I'm just going to publish it. So now I come here and click on publish. It's being published. Done. I've just published it. Notice that it already appears here for you to see. You can click on view or simply close this and go back to your profile. If you scroll down and it doesn't show up, refresh the page and now you'll see the product you just published, okay? You can click on it, you can like it, comment on it, or even promote it if you want. And that's how you share an eBay listing on Pinterest. Just choose the product you want to share and you have the option to drag the photo over like I did. Or if you prefer, you also have the option to create something more professional using your product photos. So you can use Canva. Here on Canva, you can do this for free. I'll leave the link below. Just create an account and then go to the create option. Here, type pin and the Pinterest pin option will show up. You can click on it and here you can simply create in the format that's best suited for Pinterest. If you click on design, you'll see some options. You can click here and, for example, replace this one. If I want, I can swap out these photos. So instead of leaving this photo here, I delete it, go to my product, copy the product photo, come back here to Pinterest and paste the product photo. You can do it however you want. You can add the product photo. You can use more photos. In short, you can use your creativity. It's up to you. You can do it the way you think is best. Here, the title, you can change its color. So, you can make something more professional or you can simply do as I did and just drag things around. And then come here and post it on Pinterest. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to help me too by subscribing to the channel.